So I had this question come up that I wanted to answer. Will eating too little damage my metabolism? So let's say you're doing fasting, or then when you eat, you're having a certain amount of calories, and maybe you feel that it's not enough. Is that going to slow your metabolism down? And this person also mentioned that they were told that small, frequent meals will stoke the metabolism. It'll keep the flame going. You need to eat every 3 hours, okay? Which is completely not true at all. If you're doing a low-calorie diet, it really depends on what's happening with insulin. Because what's behind a slow metabolism or a stuck set point where you can lose weight but you can't seem to get below a certain point is higher levels of insulin. Specifically, what's creating that is insulin resistance. And that's created by years of consuming a lot of refined carbohydrates or just eating too frequently. If you have insulin resistance, you have higher amounts of insulin, okay, in the background. The doctor never checks it. They're looking at the blood sugars, which is not going to show up necessarily right off the bat. But the high insulin is the hormone that prevents your weight loss. So if we want to fix the metabolism, we need to fix this right here. We need to fix this right here. And guess what? Fasting corrects insulin resistance. Now, does a low-calorie diet correct insulin resistance? It depends what you eat. Are you doing carbs? Yes or no? If you're doing yes, then this low-calorie diet is going to not correct this. It's going to not fix your metabolism. And then the other point too is your nutrients. Like even when you're doing fasting, when you eat a meal, if it's nutrient dense, then you will not destroy the metabolism. Your metabolism is also about how many nutrients you're getting. Are you doing a high nutrient dense meal? Or is it just something called dirty keto where you're not really paying attention to nutrients? Because sooner or later, certain parts of your body are going to be deficient in these nutrients. And that's what's going to slow the metabolism down. It's going to slow the thyroid down. Now, you could do a low-calorie diet with supplying all the nutrients and not affect the metabolism. But typically, the way that a person destroys their metabolism is they just do a series of diets, usually low-calorie or low-fat, whatever, that are very high in carb and low in nutrients. If you do that repetitively, you end up with a very slow metabolism. They might do low-fat popcorn or fruit or low-fat snacks and end up with this right here and a really slow metabolic rate. If you have a slow metabolism, this is what you need to know right here. The way that you lower your metabolism and correct this is number 1, fasting, and number 2, keep your carbs low, and number 3, keep your nutrients high. All right, thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely, you have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple.
We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.